The Dearborn Heights City Libraries presents 5 to 10 Crafting with Eileen and Venus. Hi, I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Venus. Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month there will be a new craft video.
Craft kits will be available for pickup for a limited time at the John F. Kennedy Jr. branch of the Dearborn Heights City Libraries.
And, when possible, as a download from our website.
Now let's get crafting.
This month's craft is Cat in a Pumpkin Craft.
For that, you're going to need scissors, glue, and a couple color crayons, orange for our pumpkin. And then if you want to do our kitty in either brown or black, your choice. You will also need our kit, which consists of our kitten, our paper plate, some black, brown construction paper. I have a couple googly eyes, though you can draw eyes on there if you wish. And I also have a green pipe cleaner.
Here's some things I found around my house. Different colored construction paper, along with an orange cardstock paper, scissors, googly eyes, glue, stapler, and a pipe cleaner. Here I have orange cardstock paper that I'm tracing a paper plate over, only because this paper plate is not one that is easy to cut in the way that we need to. Here I have a piece of black construction paper that I am using something semicircular that I found around the house to trace out the head. And then I will cut out the feet.
So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is decide what color do I want my kitten. Do I want a brown? Do I want a black kitten? Maybe like a gray one. I think mine is going to be, a black kitten. So let's get coloring. I'm not coloring really hard. I want them sort of a light black. But you decide on what color you want your kitten. And don't forget, these are the paws for the kitten. So don't forget to color those. I think on this one, I'm gonna grab a little bit of red. Give a little red in the ears. You're not going to see much of the ears since it's going to have a little top on it, but you'll know it's there. All right. So once we have that, let's go ahead and cut out our kitten. Now, if you don't have our kit here for doing our little kitten in a pumpkin, you can do this with materials you can find at home. All right, let's cut out the kitten's face. And if you don't want to cut out around these little whiskers, that's all right. I think I'm just going to do it the easy way. Just keep cutting right around so it still has whiskers. So don't worry if you don't cut each of the whiskers out here. Some of you might want to do that. That's fine too. All right, we have our little kitten cut out.
So after cutting out all the pieces, pumpkin, cat's head, ears, and paws, the stem, pumpkin eyes and nose, I'm having a bit of a difficult time trying to figure out how I want the mouth to look. By the way, I chose the yellow for the pumpkin face just because I wanted the pumpkin to look like it was glowing. Totally forgetting that the cat was inside, so it technically would have been blocking the light anyway. But hey, when you see the final result, you'll think it's adorable.
The next thing we need to do is get our paper plate. I have a small one, but you can use a large one. You just have to make sure if you use a larger one that you make a bigger kitten's head if you're doing this at home from stuff you have around the house. Okay, our pumpkin is orange, so let me grab my orange crayon and we're going to color our paper plate with our orange. The easiest way to do that is color the center flat part. Then we'll kind of go around and do the outer edges. All right, we got the center done. I'm going to start doing the outside. The easiest way is just kind of turn your plate. Keep turning it. It's kind of color in a circle. All right, we almost got it. Let's go around a little bit more. All right, that looks pretty good. So we've got our plate colored orange. So I'm going to take my scissors and we're going to cut the top half off. Sort of almost like making a little hat for the kitten. So, about an inch, inch and a half. We're going to cut straight across. Keep going all the way across. Nice straight line. And so we have the two parts. All right. I'm going to take my kitten and we're going to open our glue. And I'm going to put a little glue along the bottom of the kitten's face, right along the bottom. And we're going to kind of glue him just behind, just so his mouth is just starting to show through. All right. Then I'm going to take top. Oops, get my glue open again. And I kind of put the head at sort of an angle. So I'm going to, right here, one ear and one side of his face. He's going to kind of wear his hat a little crooked. That way you can kind of see a little bit of his ear. Let's see, I think I'm going to straighten out a little bit. There we go. I like that. We got kind of a crooked hat on. Now we're going to take our construction paper, got brown, get our glue again, and put some glue there and up here. I'm going to glue that. And that's kind of our little stem on top of our pumpkin. So it's got a little stem for our pumpkin coming up. And I'm going to get his little feet. On his little feet, I think I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 little lines. Make it look like he's got 3 little toes. You can see 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that with the other one. 1, 2, and 3. Just little lines. So, where's his paws? One of them's going to be here. And it looks like he's got his little paws. He's just sort of looking over the top of the plate with his little paws. Then we can put the kitten's eyes on. I have googly eyes, but you can always draw his eyes on if you want with your black pen or pencil or your crayon. So let me get some glue on the eyes. There's one eye. Let's get the other one, get some glue on it. There's his other eye. So our kitten's looking pretty good. Oops, I think I need a little more glue on his paw there. It's coming off. So we've now got our kitten sitting in our pumpkin, but we need a face on our pumpkin. So that's where we got our black construction paper. So if you cut kind of a corner off here and a corner off here, and then another one here, that'll give us 2 eyes and a nose. So where's his eyes? One there, and maybe his nose is there. So let's put one eye there, one eye there. Let's grab his nose. There's his little nose. Now we're going to take that. Let's draw a mouth. I'm going to kind of cut a little curve out of here. And you decide how big you want your mouth. And I'm going to cut little triangles out, almost like he's got little teeth or something. Just like that. That looks pretty good. So let's put some glue down here. Oops, let me pull my glue up. There's a smile. And that is where I'm going to put his mouth on. He's looking pretty good. But I have a green pipe cleaner. And with that, I'm going to make a loop and another loop and kind of twist it. So we have like almost a little bow tie, just like that. And if you can't quite make that, you can have mom or dad help you. And we're going to put some glue right up top here. And I'm going to put a little even on the back of there. I'm going to put that right there, and I'll pull the sides out so I don't hide the kitten's face. And there we go. We have our kitten in a pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed that one. You have fun doing that.
So, what do you think about my cat in a pumpkin craft? Cute, isn't he?
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks for tuning in.